I was gonna say, does this have power?
Because once this is in there, then we'll just like.
So there's a whole bunch of gunk right in between the rim and tire. It's not letting it seat properly or seat at all. I mean, sure, I know it's stretched, but it's not even that bad of a stretch. Anyways, I'm gonna try to do that. Clean it up a little bit and see if it works. You don't have your air connected, huh? You gotta connect it. Good thing my hand wasn't in there. It started moving by itself. You just leave the valve open?
I don't think that'll get close enough.
But I can put a squeeze. This is pretty good.
Do you want to
I'll just tack it. I'll just tack it, and then we can.
Okay. Hooray with that. Let me set you guys up somewhere. So with all that effort, it's just dirty in there. Can't even see it. Just has a whole bunch of gunk. I guess the previous owner tried to put some tire stop, whatever. So I just tried to go in there and clean it. It's just the tire to burn for drifting, that's all. Anyway, until I can get different tires for it. But I'll put my own tire sealer on it, and then we're gonna blow it up. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Do you wanna put it first? You gotta connect the air hose to it.
Connect the air hose to what?
Which button? Well, that was cool. Should have put it in slow motion. All right, done. It's a wrap. Cut. Hope.
I want to move my tire. You're going to do mine?
Oh, you do yours? I don't know, man, if you want to go or not.
That one that leaks.
Huh?
So that's the one we ripped.
This, yeah, the only one. I don't know. This was the one that was on the machine.
Yeah, now it's still there. Can't remember which side ripped though.
Got to be the right.
The top.
Yeah, because that's where the last lip would
That
go
was
over.
that top. It's the top that's ripped.
Should I spray paint these pink? I unplugged the air.
You never unplugged it?
No, I did. Unplugged it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shop tour while he's breaking his stuff. Oh, breaking the bead. 300ZX twin turbo. Yeah, that's supposed to be in there. Two JZ, no shizzle. All the way? Did you want to go in the back of the tire, or just like put it right on the crack in where the lip was?
That's where the crack in the lip is. I don't know where it's at.